Well, good morning. It's 8 o'clock on a Sunday. Kevin just came in. And we're going to sort of have a mini meeting here and discuss what we're going to do with the bike. The cover's still off of the valves, so we can check the head bolts that we can get at, which are these two and these out here. The client doesn't want us to necessarily take the front rockers off to get at the ones underneath. Watching costs a little bit. If these outer ones and the two that we can get at here torque out okay, then we'll call it good. If any of them don't torque out okay, we will pull these full front rocker shafts out and get at those two and retorque them all. Okay, that's process one probably. I'll ask you to do that if you look up the torque values.
Certainly.
And I'm going to work back here because these wires are crossed. I'm going to fix them so that the tail light will work. Tail light, brake light, they're reversed under here. I'll fix that. And we have no spark, so I'm going to start troubleshooting the wiring coming from the mag pickup, the wiring going to the black box, all of which I've eyeballed. We definitely have 12 volts going into the box. I got that far yesterday. I'm going to check out the wires from the mag pickup and probably wire in a new box and see if I get spark. I mean, it could be something silly as the cables, could be the coils, could be the black box, could be wiring. So that's going to be my focus today. And actually at this point in time, I can close up the headlight because everything works. So that's what we're going to do this morning. Try to get some spark, tail light working, and checking the torque on the head bolts. Going to change out the instrument lights with a couple of LEDs. One's blown and the other one's working, so I'll just put in two new LEDs. See how it goes. Okay, it's 9:30, and this is a progress video. The tail light is fixed. We now have brake light, tail light properly. I'll go ahead and turn on the light switch. Ignition, lights are on. We should have tail light back here, and we do. I'll hold this camera back here so you can see the brake light. And there goes your brake light. Okay, so we got tail light, brake light back here, headlight up there, horn, instrument lights. I'll show you the instrument lights. We should have those on right up here. I don't know if you can tell that they're on or not, but I'll take one out.
You can see this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, those.
See, there you go. I'll put in an LED bulb. So you got instrument lights. All right. Lighting system works. I'll check the ammeter when we start the bike and make sure that we are charging. Key goes in vertical for off, and to the right is on, off, and on again. You can't take the key out over here, so you can't use that for park. You can't take the key over here, so you can't use that for park. So basically it's center off, and either forward or rear is ignition and power for lights. And let's see, Kevin's over there. Oh, we're still working on the no spark. We've decided that we're going to hang a vape system on it temporarily. We're going to get in here, put in a rotor, and put the black box up there with all the wires just hanging out in rees, and see if we get spark. If we do, then we will install it permanently. The joy of it. All right, it's right around 10 o'clock. We have put a vape black box up here, vape system, right here. It's got power going to it, right here. This wire, these two wires go down to the coils. They're hooked up temporarily. These wires go to the mag pickup, and they're over here, hanging out in the breeze, wired temporarily. Kevin's over there pounding on the Kickstarter. Okay, Kevin has the Kickstarter on temporarily.
Spark! Whoa! You can read a book.
Yeah, do it again. Give me another. I think I got it. But I want to get... Oh yeah, there it goes. Good spark.
Yep.
Okay, so we have a new system installed. We're going to install it permanently and call it good. All right, we've got the new system installed. It's here. And we've got good spark. And over here, the mag pickup is installed. And we're getting ready to close up this timing side and probably call it the day. I don't know, it's 11:30. We'll talk whether we're going to do anything else today or not. It is very hot and the heat is debilitating. So that's where we are. All right, the ignition system's in. We've got spark, we've got snap on the carburetors, slack on the cables, just a little bit. System in there, system down here. Ignition time is set to the static setting, and we have inline filter on this side. I happen to have one, so we're going to use it, and I have 12 on order, so we'll put one on the other side before we send the bike off. And new petcocks. So just to walk around, we're still using a test fuse. It's 10 amps. Actually, this is 7.5. We do all of our testing with a 7.5 amp fuse, and put 10 amps in the bikes when we send them out. Don't use 35 amp fuses. Lucas says 35 amps. They mean a Lucas 35 amp, which is roughly a 17 amp American fuse. So you can use a 15. We send them out with a 10. So we're going to try to do a first start here. Let's try a start.
Long. Tickle. Ignition on. Snap we got.
One pump. That was good.
Yeah.
All right.
Ran.
That's a start.
Yep. No, she'll run.
Okay, now I'm going to set up the timing light,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll go again.
Okay.
Okay, it's 1 o'clock. Kevin has to go home. I'm exhausted. It's hot. We're going to leave it at this. We got a few more pops and got the timing close, but not exact yet. We're going to pick it up tomorrow morning when we are cooler and less tired. So right now we got a runner. Now we're just doing the fine tuning.